Everyone, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how my DeFi yield for the month of February were. As you know, like January was really good month. So if I go to January, if you can see that I almost had yield of 6,000, about 6,000, 186 per day. February, as you know, we had a big dump in the beginning, like really big dump. So a lot of the positions were out of range and I cashed out some and I made a lot of changes. So I'm gonna show you what I'm doing right now. And also you can see that I will add few numbers, but you can see that it's nowhere near there. I think I'm around 2,000 or something, so probably a little over 50, which is fine, like it's just the market. But let's kind of see how I'm doing. One thing is I have different positions. So this one with I have, like, basically I have kind of one very tight range, 1920. I have seen in this price range for quite a while. So I was like 1920 through 206. That's one range which is out of range because we bumped a little bit today. So and this was a range from 2000 to 3500. I have about 20,000 right now. It's 15,000, but it's in the range. So kind of like, as long as the prices remain between 1200 to 3500, I will be in range. So one's tight, but mostly it's about $20,000 dollars position. So we're gonna kind of take this one. So 9167. So I'm gonna put 91 ETH USDC 9167. This is, I'll just put 228. I know it's 32, but 26. I know the math for the numbers may not be exactly, but I'm gonna kind of collect the fee, and collect, and we'll assign it. I'll be getting that much, 184 and all. Confirm. It's done, so that should be gone. So 360. Yeah, so 360. I don't think I put it, but 365 or 360. I'll just put 360. So we are at 46, which is not that bad. So 228, 26. I'll just do. So a lot of the, like, we had a big dip. So yeah, brutal month, but it is what it is, right? So it is what it is. So that's the first one. Second one is 20,548. So we're gonna collect here too. So 48 here. So 48 something, and I think the position is 20,537. 2537. So it makes about like 48, which is not bad. I mean, my goal is, as long as I make like $50 doing nothing, I'll be really happy. Let's see. One thing is, I did sold out a lot of my BTC positions around 95, 96. I should have cashed out more ETH, but it is what it is. And this is the one which really made some money, and it's finally kind of back in the range. So 621, pretty good. 621. So 621. I think those are the measures. So I'm at 70, not bad actually. Like I would not complain. So 15, 318. Okay. So these are the active positions. So I think not a lot of those are in active positions right now. My soul, they were active in a little bit only, so these both are inactive right now. And you can see that a lot of these are not active. So basically my active position is really less. So this is all ETH, not soul. So I'll just kind of correct it. And what else we have? So I think we took this, we took this. So Aave, this has been out of range the whole time. The bread was basically like a little bit, but it just way now 281, and I'm at like 257. So not that bad, but it just way out of range. So it did make $41. So that's something, I guess. But yeah, so Brett 1226, Brett 1226, $41. So hopefully one day it will come, but doesn't look good, of course, right? So I'm gonna collect this one too. So I changed the wallet to Robbie, and it looks so good so far. So we collected bread. Same with Pendle. I'm not gonna. I guess I can collect, but it has been really not doing much. I'm not gonna even put it there. I mean, I'll collect, but not gonna put it in the sheets. It's just kind of small amount. So, but it did collect at $17. So that's not bad. And Pepe has been in the range luckily, so this is good. So Pepe 2063. So Pepe, I think I have somewhere. Pepe, I think Pepe is 2063 124. 2063 and 124. So that's not bad. So it made about $76, so not $100, which I really want, but it's still like 2,000. Not bad. I'll take over nothing, right? So definitely not a lot, but we did like 2,000, so I'm not complaining. And I think really most of the things are, the only range is basically, if you look at here, that's 2163. This is in range. 2163, this is in range. Bread is not range, and I think this one is in range, so 15318. But other than that, nothing is in range. So really my capital right now is about 17,400, right? So it's about like 17,400. So if you look at like 2,134 divided by 17,400, that's about 12%. It seems really high, but again, the range has been shifting here and there. So this was in range for a little bit time, now it's not range, but I'm happy about it, even if it's like yeah, as long as it's just a couple thousand a month doing nothing, just waiting, I think it's fine. Hopefully we keep going. I feel like I was looking at the chart, and if you look at Solana, it's been very range bound, from 70 to 90. Like, I don't know, if I had picked, probably had made a lot of yield, but almost, I think I have 700 in. Oh, okay, so it did hit 68 when we basically dump it, but really crazy dump. Then we came back, and today, with the war and all, I think we are kind of um, really pumping. I really want like 90-95, so maybe I could have just done some rebalance, but let's see how it does. But so far, yeah, it's not that of a grade, but I'll take it. Let me know what strategy you guys using it. But thank you. Don't like and subscribe.